Bookkeepers, it's Trudy at Maven. Time for a grown-up conversation, because eventually even the best of us will miss a deadline, make a mistake, send the wrong file, say the wrong thing at the wrong time. It happens. But here's the difference between a true professional and a people-pleasing amateur. Mavens take accountability quickly, clearly, and completely. Here's why it matters. Trust isn't built on the easy moments. It's built when something goes wrong and you own it. Mess up and handle it well, you gain credibility. Mess up and ignore it, you lose the client. It's that simple. So what does accountability look like in the real world? Let's walk through 3 common scenarios and how to handle each the Maven way. Example 1, you missed a deadline. Say you were supposed to send a reconciliation report on Friday, but forgot. Wrong move. Sorry, been slammed. I'll get it to you Monday. Maven move. I want to acknowledge that I missed the Friday deadline we agreed on. That's on me, not my workload. You'll have the file by noon on Monday, and I've updated my workflow to ensure that this doesn't repeat. You owned the mistake. You didn't make excuses. You offered a fix and a safeguard. Example 2, you made a mistake in the work. Maybe you double billed a client or coded something to the wrong account. The wrong move. Ignore it and pray they don't notice. The Maven move, you call them. You say, I caught an error on my last invoice. It's my mistake. I've corrected it and sent a revised version. If it's caused any confusion, I apologize for the inconvenience. That shows integrity, and most clients are relieved you caught it before they had to. Example 3, you've put your foot in your mouth. Maybe you made a joke at a meeting that didn't land, or questioned something that a client felt really strongly about. The wrong move is, that's not what I meant. You're being too sensitive. The Maven move, you say, I want to acknowledge that what I said may have come across the wrong way. That wasn't my intention, and I appreciate your patience while I clarify. You just have to see how your words landed and take responsibility for the impact, not just the intent. You don't have to grovel. You just have to see how your words landed and take responsibility for the impact, not just the intent. What helps avoid accountability slip-ups altogether? Clear expectations. Put everything in writing. Realistic timelines. Don't overpromise just to sound impressive. Regular check-ins. Catch issues early while they're still small. Documentation. Know what you sent, when, and why. And most importantly, when you do mess up, don't disappear. Show up faster with clarity and a fix. So here's your action item. Build your own it script. Write down 3 go-to phrases you can use the next time something goes wrong. That was my oversight, and I appreciate you pointing it out. Let me correct this immediately and let you know what I'll do differently moving forward. I can see how this impacted you, and that matters to me. Stick those in your notes. You'll thank yourself later. Final thought. Mistakes don't kill trust. Denial does. Mavens don't pretend to be perfect. They show up, they fix it, they grow. That's how you build unshakable credibility. Don't forget to like and share. What's up next? Not getting paid. It's your fault. And it's mine when I don't get paid. I get it. I've been there. Let's check it out together. See you there.